eHandbook Navigator 9.0 comes with an enhancement to show values for variables of type measure arrays. In an Inca experiment, the values from measure arrays typically appear as individual items in a measure window. Each item represents an entry from the measure array. The value in the brackets denotes the index for which the value is shown. When you connect the eHandbook Navigator to an Inca experiment, you can now have live values for the entries of your measure array annotated into an interactive model or function overview diagram. Note that eHandbook Navigator will only annotate values of those entries that are already existing in the Inca experiment. For example, if a measure array has 3 entries and only 2 entries are added to your Inca experiment, live values for only those 2 entries will be annotated. This is because arrays can be of very large dimension and typically not all entries are relevant to be annotated to an interactive model. So with the selected variables in the connected Inca experiment, you have control over what is shown and what not. This also works with the so-called read-only mode for the Inca connection. When the Inca experiment is connected in normal mode, that is, read-only mode is not enabled, and when you then add a variable of type measure array to the Inca experiment, note that only the entry for the first index of the measure array is added. If you want to have more entries of the measure array in the Inca experiment, you can add them using the variable selection dialog. Through this, the label name of the measure array can be easily transferred from eHandbook Navigator to the Inca experiment, while you have full control over what entries of the measure array get added. For measurement data, be it loaded from a measurement file directly in eHandbook Navigator or in combination with MDA8, values for measure arrays are annotated as they have been recorded. That is, if multiple entries of an array have been recorded, their values will be shown at the corresponding block or signal. So let's connect, in this example, eHandbook Navigator to MDA8. In order to display any values, right-click on the signal and select Display Value. eHandbook Navigator will load the signals and annotate them for 2 points in time with a cursor position A and B. If you'd like to synchronize the cursors with MDA8, create the corresponding cursors and move them.